This video is part of a Google Form quiz that teachers can assign to their students for homework. After the students submit their answers, then they can play a video like this one to see the answer explained. We've made more than 100 quizzes as Google Forms with free access videos, which teachers are welcome to copy for free. To get access to these, please see the link in the description. This video is based on a question from an actual state exam. You may have one like this on your state exam. If you've not already done so, we suggest that you watch the video introducing bar graphs before you watch this video. A weather reporter records the low and high temperatures for the city for 1 week. What was the difference between the low and high temperatures on Friday? In math, the word difference means subtraction. So we can write an equation like this. The temperature difference on Friday equals the high temperature on Friday minus the low temperature on Friday. Here's a way to visualize the difference. The difference is the size of the small golden bracket between the top of the red bar on Friday and the top of the blue bar on Friday. To answer this question, we need to figure out what the high temperature was on Friday and what the low temperature was on Friday. We can do that from the bar graph. Let's focus on the bars above the word Friday. The key tells us that the low temperature is represented by the blue bar, and the high temperature is represented by the red bar. We'll start by finding the value of the blue bar. The top of the blue bar doesn't touch any horizontal line, so we need to draw some lines. The vertical line is missing some numbers for this interval. It's missing the numbers 66, 67, 68, and 69. We'll write these down with their horizontal lines and space these lines across the graph. When we do that, we can see that the top of the blue bar touches this line, which we'll highlight in green. When we look to the vertical line, we see the value of this line is 68. So, the low value on Friday was 68 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll write that here. Next, let's find the value of the red bar. The top of the red bar doesn't touch any horizontal line, so we need to draw some lines. The vertical line is missing the numbers 71, 72, 73, and 74. We'll space these out, then draw them across the graph. When we do that, we can see that the top of the red bar touches this line, which we'll highlight in green. When we look to the left, we see the value of this line is 73. So the high value on Friday was 73 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll write that here. Now we're ready to put our numbers into the equation, so we can calculate the difference between the high and low temperatures on Friday. The high temperature is 73. The low temperature is 68. 73 minus 68 equals 5. So the difference between the high and low temperature is 5 degrees. Choice B is correct. Thanks for your attention.